Hello guys, is your screen showing verify it's you when you're trying to access your Gmail account? Don't worry, this happens all the time. And I'll show you how to fix this under 2 minutes. So this error usually pops up when a Gmail detects you're signing in from a new device and your location or after a long time away. Gmail just wants to confirm it's actually you. Now, the easiest fix is to check the recovery options on that screen. So go ahead, continue with the prompts. Gmail will offer to send you a verification code to your verification email or phone number. So for the phone number, you can actually do a call or a text. So do any of those. And once you are in, you are done, right? Now, if those options aren't showing up, you can actually scroll down and try another way, this part or this portion. This gives you more choices, like confirming from another device that's already signed in into your Gmail account. Just approve the prompt and you're in. Just like this. Like if you have phone, it will actually allow you to confirm it's you. And once you have confirmed, go ahead to proceed. You have now successfully bypassed this section. Now, if you are still stuck, you can use the Google account recovery. Enter your email, answer the security questions accurately as you can, like your last remembered password, or account creation date, and Google will walk you through regaining access. Now, if none of those works, it usually means your recovery information wasn't set up ahead of time. So once you're back in, go to your Google account settings and add a recovery phone and email. And just to make sure, also add a two-step verification. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. So make sure to always secure your account, remember all of your credentials, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.